Distinguished members of the audience, today we address a critical aspect of mobile security, configuring SRT Tunnel Light. This application provides a straightforward method to enhance your online protection, and I will guide you through each step to ensure your device is properly secured. First, access the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, enter SRT Tunnel Light. Once located, tap Install. Upon completion of the installation process, open the SRT Tunnel Light application. Ensure that your device has an active internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, as this is essential for the application to function correctly. Allow the application a moment to perform its automatic update, which ensures you have the latest configurations and server lists. Next, select Connection Method. From the available options, choose UDP Hysteria. This protocol is known for its balance of speed and security. Select a server by either choosing a specific server from the list or selecting Auto Server, which allows the application to choose the best server for your location. Tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection process. You will be prompted to allow VPN permission. Authorize this request to enable the application to establish a secure connection for your internet traffic. Once these steps are complete, the application will establish a secure connection, and your device will be operating with enhanced security and privacy. This is indicated by a connected status within the application. This concludes our configuration guide. By following these steps, you have significantly enhanced the security of your mobile device. Thank you for your attention.